Good afternoon, Professor. Today I will be representing my Tableau dashboard on road collisions of road in Toronto. So let me begin by explaining the first chart, collisions by road during the rainy weather. This is a dual axis line chart that plots the number of vehicles collided on the y-axis, and the x-axis categorizes the data by the road class. The red line here represents the average rainfall, while the black line shows the collision count. What is immediately noticeable is that a significant spike on the major arterial roads, showing over the 25,000 collisions during the rainy conditions as the rainfall intensity increases. The number of collisions indicating a strong positive correlation between the heavy rain and the average rainfall, and it shows the accident frequency, especially on the high speed traffic areas and the roads which contains very heavy traffic. The second chart is the snowfall versus collisions. This is a vertical bar chart. Each bar represents a day of month 1 to 31 on the x-axis, while the y-axis on the left side indicates average snow, and the bar color here shows the vehicle collisions from light blue to the deep red for the higher collision. This chart reveals that days with higher snowfall levels, especially around the day 9 and the day 17, correspond to the higher vehicle count, and this suggests a direct link between the snow accumulation and the driving hazards, emphasizing the need for increased road safety measures during the snow events. Let's move to the third chart, which is icy collision hotspot in Toronto. This is a scatter map built using the map box, showing the collision prone zones during the icy conditions in Toronto. Each dot here represents a collision locations color coded with the different districts such as Etobicoke for the purple color, North York for the blue color, green color indicates Scarborough, and the blue color indicates Toronto and the neighboring areas. The two filters here, average minimum temperature and average speed. This both allow us to explore how this environmental factor affects influence the accidents. The map indicates that the cluster of icy collisions tend to occur in the zones with the lower temperature, moderate to the high speeds, particularly in the downtown Toronto, as you can see, and the surrounding areas to that. This spital can help city planners prioritize the safety efforts and alert drivers in this high-risk neighboring during the freezing periods. Thank you so much, Professor. Uh, Here, let me show my data story also. This is the first story, and this is the other one. Thank you so much, Professor.